Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making air fryer bacon wrap meatloaf. Alright, I'm starting out here in a large bowl. I have roughly 2 pounds of ground beef. Now to that I'm going to add in 1 onion I minced up fine. You want to mince it up fine, that way there it will cook while it's in the meatloaf. It won't be crunchy. Alright, now I'm going to put in my seasonings. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of this McCormick's Himalayan pink sea salt, black pepper and garlic. Guys, this stuff's great. If you haven't used it, get some and try it out. You're going to love it. I'm going to throw in 1 egg. I'm going to add in about 2 forkfuls of the pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh, use 2 cloves, diced up fine. Alright, and I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm also going to put in some breadcrumb. I forgot to bring it over. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. I forgot to bring the breadcrumb over. I'll add that in and I'm going to mix this up off camera, and then we're ready to make the meatloaf, so I'll bring it back. Alright, now that I have my ground beef all mixed up, I have a piece of parchment paper down here to keep from making a mess. I'm going to take a piece of ground beef about the size of a pool ball, roll it up, and then I'm going to flatten it down. And I'm just going to firm up the sides because we're going to wrap these in bacon. And everyone's going to get their own individual meatloaf. This is sort of like a filet mignon, but we're substituting the steak with ground beef. And I'm going to take this little piece of bacon here and I'm going to bring it up over. This is going to hold it together. Alright guys, I got them all formed and wrapped in bacon. I got 8 of them. I'm going to load them in my air fryer. And I have the air fryer preheated. And I'm using a big air fryer today, guys, so I can fit them all in. If you use a smaller air fryer, you might just have to make less or do less batches. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these in an air fryer heated to 350 degrees for 40 minutes. And after 20 minutes, I'm going to take them out and turn them over so they get nice and golden brown on both sides. Let me get my hands wiped with a napkin here, because we're going to put a little more of that Himalayan pink salt, black pepper and garlic seasoning on top of these. Just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to get them in that air fry for 20 minutes, and I'm going to take them out and turn them over so they're nice and crispy on all sides. Alright, my meatloafs are done. They actually took 25 minutes. That's why it's important to keep an eye on them. My bacon came loose on a couple of them, but that's going to be fine. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and made some red skin mashed potatoes and some gravy for over the meatloaf and the potatoes, and I made some buttered peas. Let me get in here and try this meatloaf, guys. See, the meatloaf's cooked through. The bacon's crispy, but it's not really crunchy and dry. Nice and moist. Well seasoned. That bacon's delicious on there. Guys, that was really easy and it's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Air fryer bacon wrap meatloaf. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.